everyone. Welcome to English session. In last class we have learnt listening skills and reading skills. Now we are going to learn about speaking skills and writing skills. Are you ready, children? Yes. Yes, children, let us learn about speaking skills. Before starting, write down today's date in your textbook. We use some words for framing a questions. Example: is, was, were, do, does and did. So let us learn how to frame a questions by using these words. First one, is. We use is along with the subject he, she, it. We use is along with the subjects he, she and it. For example, is he playing cricket? Is he playing cricket? What is this he here? He is a subject. So we are using is with the subject. So there is one more thing. What is this? Question mark. So while writing these questions, question mark is mandatory. Okay, children? Yes. Next one, was. Was is used along with the subject she, he, it and I. Use along with the subject she, he, it and I. For example, was he playing cricket? Was he playing cricket? What should be here? We should put question mark. What should we put? Question mark. So here he is a subject. So was is used with the subject. We can use she also. That is, was she playing cricket? Was she playing cricket? Here, children, there is a simple rule. Here is a present tense and was is a past tense. Is a present tense and was is a past tense. If it is happening now, you use is. If it has happened in the past, we use was. For example, is he playing cricket is a present tense. Was he playing cricket is a past tense. So these are examples for is and was. Next we go for were. Were is used along with the subject you, they. You and they. For example, were you playing cricket? Were you playing cricket? So here you is a subject. Here you is a subject. And we can use they also. Were they playing cricket? Were they playing cricket? Like this we can use you and they. Next we go for do. Do along with the subject you, we, they, I. Here do is a present tense. Do is a present tense. Do, does is a present tense. For example, do you want the story book? Do you want the story book? It is a present tense. Here you is subject. Here you is a subject. We go for does. Does is also used along with the subject he, she and it. Here do and does are present tense. For example, does he go to school by bus? Does he go to school by bus? It is a present tense. Here he is a subject. We can use she also. For example, does she go to school by bus? Does she go to school by bus? Next we go for did. Did is a past tense. Here did is used with the subject you, we and they. You, we and they. For example, did you buy a new book? Did you buy a new book? Here do, does is a present tense and did is a past tense. Have you all understood, children? Very good. Now let us go to the textbook exercise. Are you ready? Yes. Children, can you all see in your textbook? Yes. Here they have given some questions. We often use is, are, do, does, did, was and were to ask questions. Say these questions aloud. Here they have given some questions. Do you want the storybook? Do you want the storybook? Here, do is a present tense. Do you want the storybook is a present tense. Next, does he go to school by bus? Does he go to school by bus is also a present tense. Next one, is it going to rain today? Is it going to rain today? Next one, were you busy last week? Were you busy last week? Here were is also a present tense. Was he absent yesterday? Was he absent yesterday is also a present tense. Did you buy a new water bottle? Did you buy a new water bottle is a past tense. Is a past tense. Next one. Are you carrying your umbrella? Are you carrying your umbrella is also a present tense. Like this, you can also try to frame some questions. You have to take turn with your parents also. You can check with your parents also. Okay, children? Very good. Now we move on to the next page. That is writing skills. See, here they have given a picture and you have to write your own sentences by seeing the picture. Look at the picture and write 5 sentences about what you see. Take the help of the clues in the box. Can you all see the picture? Yes. And they have given a clue box in the picture also. Picture. So what we have to write? First one already they have given to you. Can you all see this? They have given some lines also in your textbook. You have to write it over there. First one they have given as, this is Tara's garden. She is sitting outside with her family. She is sitting outside with her family. The parrot. So from there you have to write the sentences by seeing the picture. What is the next one? The parrot playing with the girl's hair. The parrot playing with the girl's hair. Next one. Can you see the dog? What the dog is doing? The dog is tearing the leaves of a plant. The dog is tearing the leaves of a plant. This is third one. What is fourth one? Can you all see the cat? What she is doing? The cat is wearing a shoe. The cat wearing a shoe. Fifth sentence. What can be written? Can you all see the rabbit in the picture? Yes. The rabbit is eating a carrot. The rabbit is eating a carrot. So you have completed 5 sentences. If you want, you can write one more sentence. Can you all see the sheep? Yes. The sheep is rolling on the ground. The sheep is rolling on the ground. Have you all understood, children? Very good. So now practice the writing skills and listening skills. You have to practice writing skills, reading skills and listening skills. Okay, so this is your home task. Okay, children, bye. Meet you in the next session.